Now, it's amazing to me that vegetation and different little plants can find their way up through cracks in a sidewalk like this.
I've even seen them growing in the freeway.
Is that right? Well, and you really think that just pouring boiling hot water on the plants will kill them?
It does. I've done it. Watch. Now, just be real careful, you know, keep the little children away. But if we pour it all the way here, you can see the steam coming up. Oh, a little sauna.
Now, what's so bad about the total vegetation killers? I mean, they're a lot safer now than they were years and years ago. What would be a problem in using it in a situation like this?
Well, just as it's a little windy today, some of that wind could blow some of the mist over and kill or at least singe these pansies here.
Right.
And then also, just as we see the runoff from the water here, if there was some killer, you know, complete kill out, it could kill this whole edge here. Now, you know, we've done this, but if these are really persistent weeds, we might need to do it again. So we might need to check it in a couple of days.
Hey, speaking of persistent weeds, what about some of the broadleaf weeds like that? Will the boiling water take care of that?
Well, it would probably take care of it, but it also might take care of about a plate size around it. I mean, you know, it's very hard to gauge how much is going to go on. Well, Danny, you know, another really important thing about this water, the way to kill the weeds this way, is it's really not going to harm tile or wood or concrete or a lot of other surfaces that some of the others might.